Ami Khan 8 Western Angami constituency yate. For the past 30 years, we have not seen any major development in our constituency. Ami Khan 30 years ja agede development ekunai khali national highway aru village itu Madi approach road inaga thagi ase. Only by the grace of God, our Madam Salatono Cruz, despite being a woman, Maki Holibi, Tai Sornam Bara, Ahigena Ami Khan Minister Hua Pishede, rapid progress to Ahiase. We can see changes, we can see development. Ami Khan area de development Ahiase, Dangor development. So pinpoint guna ko bi na pare Holibi development bishi aniase. Itu garne Madam Salatono ge sob constituency number abi 10 janai di ase. Etia PMGSY, this PMGSY road is the only lifeline route. Ami Khan Western Angami region karne itu lifeline route ase. Itu this PMGSY road connect almost all the village of Western Angami region, including Zotsoma, Konoma to Mezoma to Sechema to Kirupema Bawe to Kirupema Basa to Peducha. Itu rosta do Ami Khan garne bishi important thagi ase. Itu rosta bana lo adu Ami Khan 20 years back. Ami Khan itu black topin nai rosta do banai bishi digdar hogena thagi ase. Holibi isro morumbra Madam Salatono aha pishede Ami Khan honorable CM ni pyrio tadujon milagena Ami Khan ge itu rosta banai dia garne isor gi bi thanks dia ase aru tadujon gi bi bishi dangor thanks janai dia ase. Ami Khan Western Angami region do in the field of development Ami Khan development do manu ke na puncha laga constituency ase. Ami Khan perhaps manu ke na puncha laga development itu constituency ase, perhaps due to the lack of capable leaders, visionary leadership in our constituency. Only by the grace of God, we are very fortunate to have our Madam Salatono Cruz ta aha pishede rapid progress to Ami Khan dikhi pa ase. Etia Ami Khan aji we are going to celebrate this the completion of this PNGSY road project. Aru itu bi bishi dangor ase lifeline route ase. Secondly Ami Khan edom Ami Khan Western Angami area set up hoa pishede we don't have any itu multi-purpose hall act tabi na we could not able to witness any kind of multi-purpose hall in our life. Only ta ha pishede multi-purpose hall bi Ami Khan Western Angami Regional Center headquarters sechu zubzade ekta itu bi banai dishe. Itu bi Ami Khan bishi khushi pa ase. Aru working women hostel itu mega project working women hostel bi anigena Ami Khan Western Angami Region Center sechu zubzade banai ase. Itu bi tage dangor tens ase. Etia Ami Khan dangor rosta Ami Khan rosta do road Ami Khan garne lifeline route is very important in our life. Ami Khan laga lifeline route to rosta khan ase. To itu etia Peducha to New Secretariat Road itu in generally Naga commuters khan Naga manu khan sob itu cholai thage. Etia itu under itu construction de ase. Itu olo din pishide khotom hobo. Itu bi Madam Salatono initiative para anigena Peducha to Jesema New Secretariat Road to 2 lane to banai ase. Aru etia Zoza Bridge Point NS29 to Konoma itu bi etia Madam Salatono bara itu rosta do etia banai ase under construction de ase. Aru Madam Salatono aru CM tadujon bara initiative para itu Zotsoma bypass road itu bi under construction de thagi ase. Aru Ami Khan development activities kan sob kobo gole bishi ase tai itu Ami Khan area de banai dio almost each village de tai reservoir tent carrying tent kan banai dia ase. Aru Ami Khan ke itu marketing sheds. Marketing shed is also very important for rural sector people. so marketing shebi tai banagena ami khan ke di ase sob jaga phene bi tai banagena di thagi ase Hortilin Road Agrilin Road bi almost covering almost all the village ami khan sob area phene cover hogena ja ase itu gorne bi tage appreciate kuri ase aru ami khan manu khan bi khushi pa ase manu khan ke milagena self help group kuribo enega kurigena ajaji pet paligena khabi ulai ase aru development activities under process for consideration and approval tourism mega project ami khan Western Angami region de bi tai etia under process ta ase isor morom hole tu khan take up hobo flatted factory tu khan bi under process for consideration and approval itu khan bi thagi ase multi purpose hall khan bi aru ani bole ami khan etia process te thagi ase aru ami khan indoor stadium tibi etia propose when thagi ase itu bi ministry thagi ase isor morom hole ahibole itu bisas kuri ase aru madam talaga iconic farm bara tai Sechema village council laga hall bi tai iconic farm du tai itu split na kurigena Sechema village council hall bi successfully complete ho jaise etia Mezoma Basa village council hall bi iconic farm LDP parata itu bi khotom ho ase multi purpose hall ekta Sechema village te aru itu bi banai digena ase aru LDP iconic farm khan du bosti khan rural sector khan takhan ami khan enega lage kogena takhan proposal ania khan hisab para bha kurgina aji to tu takhan ge enega kam du di thagi ase aru LDP aru iconic farm khan bi tai du eku na logena ami khan karne sacrifice kurina so phelagena ami khan local manu khan ge itu develop kuri ase de itu karne isor ge bi thanks aru madang ge bi thanks ami khan Western Angami region ami khan pagala na hoye kole du ami khan yeah the people of the Western Angami regions we are expecting many things from our candidate we expect we want development from them we want progress development prosperity aru opportunities itu khan ami khan bishi lage madam do isor nambara 3 sal itu within a short span of just 3 years she has brought so many development activity in our constituency 30 years ja age de eku ami khan tangor major development ahanai 30 years sob total kurlibi tai 3 years bitor bara development kuria du 30 years parabi tangor bishi kam kuri diche tune tage bishi thanks diase she is the champion of development in the field of development in our constituency tai ami khan laga development laga icon tai development laga tai symbol ase aru tai champion ase kila mane tai 3 sal bitor bara despite of holding small portfolio in cabinet bird tai dangor project anigena ami khan ge rapidly ami khan ge development dia ase tune tage bishi thanks dia ase aru this is our request to all the our region fellow people ami khan constituency region manu khan ge request kuri ase ami khan jodi candidate enega bhal ami khan karne to dedicated leaders and visionary leaders ami khan ta hange elect kuro para nai enega hange harai dise gole who will be the loss kon loss khabo apuni aru moi engineerly constituency to ami khan bishi loss khabo itu gona ami khan jani gena bhal leader khan do as long as ta khan kiman ta khan deri to bhal kam kuri ase milagena tage support kogina jiti bole bisas ase tai poila bi ami khan despite being a woman tai isor morom bara quality thagi ase capability bisha ase tune manu khami bisas korina standing MLA eta thagya bi haragena jitigena ahise itu isor morom bara itu ami khan constituency manu khan modo para aru aha election de bi tai jiti bole ami khan bishi hopeful ase aru mokhan 2 to 3000 vote para itu aru jitibo aru area garne bhal kam kori dibo so constituency manu bi all heartedly itu tage support dibo bisas thagi ase de thank you so much